wreaking havoc across the country. The dam burst near Mai Mahiu in Nakuru County, washing away homes and blocking roads as rescuers scramble to find survivors amidst the debris. The incident adds to the toll of the March May wet season, with the death count now reaching 120 due to the unusually heavy rainfall exacerbated by the El Nino weather pattern. In addition to the dam collapse, a boat carrying numerous individuals capsized in flooded Tana River County, resulting in the retrieval of 2 bodies and the rescue of 23 others. Disturbing video footage captured the terrifying moment as the crowded boat sank, highlighting the severity of the situation. The devastating effects of the floods have been widespread, leading to the displacement of over 130,000 people across Nairobi and other regions. As a